Pisces, if you have been feeling like something is about to change, you are right, and it begins this Monday. Welcome to Astro Healing. Today is Monday, June 15th, 2026. New here? This channel posts complete daily horoscope readings for all 12 signs every single day. Subscribe right now and never start a week without your reading again. Here is your Pisces forecast for this Monday. Neptune, your mystical ruling planet, is in a deeply awakened and forward-moving Monday position today. The dreaminess, the beautiful escapism, the tendency to float slightly above the reality of things. Today, Neptune channels those same qualities into something much more powerful. A vision, a clear, specific, emotionally charged vision of where your life is meant to go and what you are meant to become. Today, Pisces stops dreaming and starts moving toward the dream. And that shift, from seeing to doing, from feeling to acting, is the most powerful transformation your sign is capable of. In your career, Monday brings a moment of professional awakening, something you have been sensing, something you have felt in your gut for weeks about your work, your direction, your purpose, becomes undeniably clear today. Do not dismiss it because it feels emotional rather than logical. For Pisces, emotional clarity is the highest form of intelligence. What you know today and your feelings about your career is more accurate than what any strategy document could tell you. Trust it, and take one concrete step toward it today. Financially, Neptune Monday brings a creative and intuitive solution to a financial challenge you have been carrying. The solution arrives not through analysis but through a sudden flash of insight, an idea that seems slightly unconventional but that, on examination, makes complete sense. Write it down the moment it arrives. Do not let your rational mind talk you out of exploring it. Pisces' financial breakthroughs always arrive through the intuitive channel first and the analytical channel second. Honor that order today. In love, Pisces, this Monday your heart is wide open and the universe is sending love toward you in every form imaginable. In the warmth of a stranger's unexpected kindness. In a message from someone who was thinking of you. In a moment with someone you love that is so full and so real that it stops time for a second. Be present for all of it. Do not let Monday business make you too distracted to receive what is being sent. If you are single, today someone who is genuinely right for you becomes more visible in your life. They have been there. Today you actually see them. Health this Monday for Pisces requires you to begin the week with a clear and caring intention for your body. Pisces can sometimes drift through weeks without any real physical awareness and then wonder why their energy crashed. Today set one health intention that is gentle, specific, and achievable. Drink one extra glass of water today. Take a 10-minute walk at lunch. Sleep 30 minutes earlier tonight. One small, kind, sustainable thing. That is the Pisces Monday health practice, and it compounds into something extraordinary by Friday. Spiritual message for Pisces on June 15th. You came into this world with a gift that the world desperately needs. Not your appearance, not your resume, not your accomplishments. Your gift, the specific, personal, irreplaceable thing that only you can offer in only the way that you can offer it. Today, Monday, June 15th, is the day you stop waiting for permission to give it. Stop waiting until you feel ready. Stop waiting until the fear goes away. The fear does not go away before the leap. It goes away during it. Today, Pisces, take your leap. The world has been waiting for exactly what you are about to become. If today's reading spoke to something real inside you, comment Pisces below. And if you found Astro Healing for the first time today, I'm so grateful you are here. Subscribe now. Daily reading for all 12 signs every single day. Share this video with a Pisces who needs to hear this message today. And we will see you tomorrow. A new chapter is beginning, Pisces. This is your Monday.